Now we go to the next problem. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree with HP and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So he says an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies on one of its sides on HP. So obviously we have to start from HP. So which is that? You look from the HP. So that means you have to start from HP. So obviously you have to start from the top view. So here one of its sides on HP, so the side which is resting on HP has to be perpendicular to VP. So why only we have to consider with respect to VP perpendicular to VP? Because when you look from the front view you get a point. So it is very easy. So it is only that way. If you rotate this mid surface by an angle, then that point will not going to be altered. So that means the side will not going to be altered. So that is the reason why we have to consider always perpendicular to VP. So the lamina makes 45 degrees with HP. That will going to be the second position. So here, if in the initial position you have made all the surface, all the sides are resting on HP. So obviously all the sides are parallel to HP. So all the sides are parallel to HP. So I am getting the true shape in HP when you look from the top view. So here also you can see in the 2D also the edge which is resting on HP has to be perpendicular to VP. So I am getting a point in the front view. So it is very easy to rotate in the second position so that B dash C dash will be on XY line. Then he says since he has given the median is the one which is inclined to VP. So which median we have to consider? This one AM, wherein AM A dash M dash is parallel to HP. So I am getting the true length in HP. So that will going to be the median which will going to be in true length. Then the lamina makes 45 degrees with HP. So the side is resting on HP. So B dash C dash is the one which is the side which is resting on HP. So we have rotated. So once it is rotated, what happens? The median is also rotated here. Because the problem is given, the median is also rotated. So the surface is rotated, naturally the median is also rotated, A dash M dash. So once A dash M dash is rotated, so obviously you will going to get the apparent length here. So you have got median which is in the apparent length. Okay. So the surface inclination is given, it is 45 degree. So since it is surface is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and then the surface still is perpendicular to VP, so you are getting a line in the front view. So how to rewrite this sketch here? So consider at any point which is B dash C dash is on XY line, because he says the side is resting on HP, and from here using the protractor you measure an angle of 45 degree and then draw a line, then measure the length from B dash to A dash. From B dash you cut an arc on this and you get the point A dash. Then draw a vertical projector from A dash and draw a vertical projector from B dash and C dash. Draw a horizontal projector from A to get this point A, and draw a horizontal projector from B and C to get these 2 points. Since M dash is here, then you are drawing this point. So you are going to get AM here, which is the median. Since A dash M dash, which is the median, which is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. So you are getting the apparent length here. Then in the third position, he says one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. So again he has given the true inclination here, and then in the second position you have the apparent length here. Then since it is a true inclination, you take any point on the XY line and draw a line inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Since this is the true inclination line, you have to transfer the true length. So where is the true length? The true length will be here in the first position, because A dash M dash is parallel to HP. So I am getting the true length here. So which is the median true length. Then you measure the length of this, which is 21.6506, because we have measured in computer. So but when you are doing it manually by using the compass, whatever you get the distance from A to M, you consider any point on that 40 degree line, consider that point as A and cut an arc on that to get this line, to get this point here. From this point you draw a horizontal line which is the locus. Then again you measure the apparent length here, because this is the one which is rotated at this angle. So since you have the apparent length here AM, which is the median which is in the apparent length, you measure by using the compass from A to M with same center A, cut an arc on the locus line. So you get this line to get this point. So you got AM. So this is the apparent inclination line which will be called as beta. Then rewrite this sketch on this apparent inclination line. So how to do that? Since you have AM line, you have this AM line here. The length of this AM and the length of this AM will be equal. So this BC line will be perpendicular to this AM. So AM is inclined here. So take the protractor and with M as center, you measure an angle of 90 degree with respect to the inclined line AM, and then draw a line which is perpendicular to this AM and measure the length from M to C and M to B, both will be equal. So with M as center, cut an arc on this side and also cut an arc on this side. So we are rotating this by clockwise direction. So C will come on this side and B will come on this side. A is already, we have this point. So join ABC to get this triangle. Then you draw a horizontal line, a horizontal projector from B dash, C dash, M dash, and similarly you draw a horizontal projector from A dash and draw a vertical projection from A to intersect at this point to get A dash, and draw a vertical projector from B to intersect at this point B dash, and draw a vertical projector from C to intersect at this point to get this A dash. Then complete this triangle. So how do I know that our problem is right? So one of the sides is resting on HP, that is B dash C dash. The median is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to VP, and the surface is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and this is the equilateral triangle of 25 mm side. This is how we will analyze the problem.